Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the could not delete account problem on Tinder using a phone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Tinder needs a good connection to process account deletions. Next, close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe away the Tinder app completely, and then open it again. A simple refresh often fixes temporary glitches. Or update or reinstall Tinder. Go to the App Store, tap on a profile at the top right, check for update or delete, and reinstall the app. A fresh installation can fix errors preventing account deletion. Also, restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary box and can help Tinder process the deletion properly. If it still doesn't work, contact Tinder support. Go to the Tinder help center, select account access. After that, tap on delete account and explain the issue. Support can delete the account manually for you. And that's it. Check your internet, restart the app or phone, reinstall Tinder if needed, and contact support if it still fails. Following these steps will help you delete your Tinder account on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.